Handling missed time entries gracefully is essential for maintaining a smooth workflow and keeping your records accurate. If you've missed logging a time entry, don't worry. There's a way to handle it without creating unnecessary confusion or frustration. First things first, let's address the situation directly. The key here is to approach it calmly, without overthinking it. Mistakes happen, but how you handle them shows your professionalism. The best approach is to be proactive. Make the adjustment as soon as you realize the mistake. This helps avoid the situation snowballing into a bigger problem later. Start by checking your records or timesheet to identify the missed entry. Don't skip this step, because you want to ensure you're fixing the right mistake. It's easy to overlook the specifics when you're in a rush. Once you've identified what's missing, it's time to log the entry. Many people make the mistake of guessing the time, but being as accurate as possible is crucial. If you can't recall the exact amount of time, take your best guess based on your memory or related tasks. If you're still uncertain, reach out to a colleague or manager for clarification. They'll appreciate the transparency. Now, here's where things can get tricky, especially if you're using timesheet software. How do you ensure your missed time entry is handled smoothly without causing confusion for your team? This software we'll be using today allows you to track your missed time, edit your entries, and even leave notes explaining why a change was made. You can also adjust the entry retroactively without it affecting your reports. In addition to that, some software platforms offer automated reminders or syncing features, which can help prevent missed entries in the future. But in this video, we're focusing on handling missed time entries gracefully. So once you fix the entry, make sure to double check the overall report for any inconsistencies. The key takeaway here is that missed time entries are common, but handling them gracefully requires being proactive, accurate, and transparent. It's about correcting the mistake quickly and making sure the final record is accurate without overcomplicating things. To recap, first identify and fix the missed entry as soon as possible. Then log it with the most accurate time you can recall. Be transparent and check your overall time records to ensure consistency. And don't forget, by using the software we mentioned, you can easily make adjustments and avoid errors in the future. If you want to follow along, make sure to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below. It's available only to viewers of my channel, and it can help make this process easier moving forward. Remember, handling missed time entries gracefully isn't about perfection. It's about fixing mistakes quickly and professionally.